In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for project management. This simple Notion tutorial is perfect for beginners who are diving into organizing their projects using this versatile tool. So let's get started and transform your workflow into something more efficient and visually appealing. Our journey begins with creating a project dashboard page. This will be your central hub where all the magic happens. Open your Notion workspace and create a new page. You might want to name it Project Dashboard or something that resonates with the purpose of your project. This will serve as the main entry point for all your project-related information and activities, providing you with an organized view of all the components you'll be handling. Once you've set up your dashboard, the next step is to add a board or timeline database. Notion offers flexibility, allowing you to decide how you want to visualize your data. If you prefer a Kanban-style overview similar to Trello, a board view is your go-to option. On the other hand, if you're a fan of timelines that illustrate the flow from start to finish, opt for the timeline database. Simply click on Add a block and choose either board or timeline database. This visual representation will provide clarity and oversight, giving you a quick glance at the ongoing tasks in your project. Now that you've got your database set up, it's time to enrich it with tasks. Start by adding tasks that will populate your project. For each task, make sure to include important details such as the description, assignees, and deadlines. This information is crucial, as it defines who is responsible for what and when it needs to be done. Notion allows you to assign tasks to team members by linking them directly from your contacts list, or by simply typing their names as free text. Similarly, you can set deadlines by adding date properties to each task, ensuring everyone is aligned with the timeline. Finally, to keep your project on track, utilizing a system to monitor progress by status is essential. Notion facilitates this by enabling you to categorically update each task's status, whether it's not started, in progress, or complete. This helps in tracking the flow of work and identifying bottlenecks or areas that might require additional resources or attention. As you update a task's status, everyone involved gets a clear picture of how the project is advancing, enhancing communication and collaboration across the team. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up Notion for project management. By creating a thoughtful project dashboard, adding intuitive database views, populating it with detailed tasks, and keeping track of your progress through status updates, you'll be well on your way to mastering Notion's project management capabilities. We hope this video has given you the insights to improve your approach to project management. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on making the most out of Notion and other productivity tools.